Welcome this video. Embrace long pot from plants enhance aesthetic and functionally in the real of gardening and interior design. The choice of plants container play a pivotal role in define space among the various other available long pot stood out not just from their size but from their ability to transform ordinary green into strike focal point from enhanced static appear to fountain health. Plants growing long pot often a myriad of benefit that tap to both indoor and outdoor environment. This explored the multifaceted of use long pot from plants into their design versatile principling benefit and their impact of on plants health and longing aesthetic appear and design versatile long pot are internally impactful due of their size and precise weather, place, indoor and outdoor. They are constrained and instant elevate the values appear on any space in interior design. Oversized plants survey a statement price add a touch of elegance and dream, then create a focal point that draw the eyes and enhance the overall embrace of a room from a design long pod can come in a wide range of material, shape and finish allow from endly create and customize material like fiberglass and even lightweight modern compress often textile and color of the and decor style, whether your preference sleep and contemporary design or rustic and earth aesthetic, those are long part to complement every set benefit of long pot beyond their material impact. Long pot often pot that contribute to their popular aman gardening and decoration. Like one of the most significant benefit is those of accommodate long pot or multi plants in a single container. This not only simplifies made interest but also allow or create arrangement plan special create lush long display natural landscape. Moreover, the size of those pods provide a bare root space from plants and growing. Unlike smart containers, which are root department of load growing long pod promote health, whether you are salt more and more affect indoor and outdoor application. Long pot are request versatile than use indoor and outdoor. Indoor than survey are strict decor elements that add life and fresh of pot plants whether place in enters away as comprise oversized plants make a both statement while impact indoor air quality and fog and stick of well core outdoor long pot are idea of create focal point on patio deck or a gardening bed then can be used of frame on a house like part away or different outdoor set area. A long gardening set, oversized plants can gardening bed, architecture long seamless with the natural landscape. Main interest considering long port often naming benefit then could request careful considering then it come to main interest then size their mean then can be specially then field salt and plants. This weight can make team or remove or impact of plant place theme geometric and considering